Let me show you how to place the furniture. First, tap on the sofa icon. Find the nice cabinet I have favorited previously. You can either move around in the room for a better view, or tap and hold the furniture to move it around. Tap here to rotate the furniture. Tap here if you're okay with this position. It does look better facing the entrance? I guess so. Tap and hold the furniture until you see the menu bar. Let me rotate it and adjust the position. The red color box means that you cannot place the furniture here. Tap here to duplicate the furniture. But it doesn't look nice for my home, so I'm gonna remove it. Fun, right? Now your turn to try it out.